Hello everybody. Today we are going to look at a new operational management feature in our B2B component called scheduled downtime for trading partners. Just to set context for this feature, we all know that every organization has some sort of downtime while their applications are being maintained, and this is also true for our OIC B2B customers where their trading partners are unavailable for a certain period of time. Now in this duration, our customers would like to continue processing but hold on to these messages before delivering during this period of unavailability. So for this, we have introduced this feature where you can mark a trading partner to be unavailable for a period of time. Now let's look at how to do this. So here in my projects, I have a specific project for my trading partner, and under the B2B tab, I have my trading partner set up here. When I click here, I can see this new option for scheduled downtime. So when I click here, I can set the schedule during which I believe this TP is going to be unavailable. So for now, what I'm going to do is set this for 6:46 p.m. So you can see it's scheduled the downtime here. Alright, so we now see that the downtime is active because now it's 6:46 p.m. and the downtime has been activated. So what we will do now is simulate some outbound transactions that we are planning to send to this trading partner. I'm going to execute this. So I'm gonna execute another one. Alright, so now let's look at what happens in the observability tab. So when we go to observe and the B2B tracking, under the business messages, we can see the two business messages that are in the status of pending transmission because the TP is down. We can also notice that the wire messages are also in pending transmission because these are on hold until the schedule elapses. Now, instead of waiting for the schedule to elapse, for the purposes of time, we are going to go and remove downtime here, which essentially means that this TP is now active. So you can see that this downtime has been removed. Now let's go back to observability and check what happens. So you can see now both these transactions are successful. You can also see that the wire messages have been successfully transmitted and we have received a successful MDN. There are a few key things to note when you are creating the outbound integration, which is used to send the message out to the trading partner. So let's take a look at that. Now within this integration, it is typical for us to have a route which is checking the translation status, whether it was successful, to further process and send the translated B2B message to our trading partner. Now in this case, where the scheduled downtime has been set up, the translation status would carry transmission pending TP downtime. So we will need to configure a route to check for this translation status and then handle the integration gracefully. So here we have configured to return the status and the wire message that was generated, and the integration will complete successfully. So with that, we believe this would be a great addition to our operational management in B2B tracking, and our customers can greatly benefit from it. Thank you and have a good day.